Balita ko.
According to
Bulga.
Philippine Inquirer.
English yun.
Bilis, bilis, tuloy, tuloy.
Then? Ano bang
Hindi, what were you supposed to say? Say sa Tagalog.
Yung Tagalog?
Balita ko.
Balita ko.
Isa 8% Tagalog, translate in English.
Balita ako, ang daming balita sa kumakalat na balita.
Ay, English.
Wait lang, hingin na ako eh, nandiyan pa based on Philippine Daily Inquirer, there is a lot of rumors that the news is being
Published.
manipulated by news.
Tol, dyan may, ano dyan, may basuhan dyan.
May making kalkal.
What?
Kalkal? I can translate that in English.
Oh, what is kalkal in English?
Kalkal? Getting a gun.
Sample, sample. Sample.
I mean driving.
What gear?
Sample,
Sample, sample.
Sample.
Sample. Sample.
Jong, alam mo ba alas 4 na tayo?
Huh? What? I can understand you, man.